Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about endoscopy and urology license in UAE. In endoscopy and urology, there are two titles of exams available in UAE. One is endoscopy technologist, another one is endoscopy technician, second is urology technician for the urology technologist. So for this examination, we need, if you are going to apply as an endoscopy technologist, you need bachelor degree in major subject of endoscopy plus 2 years experience as an endoscopy technologist. Or if you are going to apply as an endoscopy technician, you need 2 years diploma in endoscopy plus 2 years experience as an endoscopy technician. And the same in the category of urology, if you have completed bachelor degree in major subject of urology, after that you have 2 years of experience as a urology technologist, you are able to attend the urology technologist examination. Same if you have your 2 years diploma in urology plus 2 years of experience as a urology technician, you are able to attend the exam as a urology technician.